Let's generate test automation scripts for a scenario in the FigJam board. Let's start by creating a new test file. DevAssure provides the ability to record from between tests, which means you don't have to record from scratch every time. The test steps copied are pasted in the new test file. The steps highlighted in purple are called functions, which help with easy maintenance of your test automation. You can check out how to create and use functions using DevAssure in DevAssure's website knowledge base. Now, to start generating the test automation scripts, we have to click on Record Steps. This opens a new browser and the steps which are already present in the file are executed first. Once the login is complete, we can start generating the scripts for the new test case. The FigJam board is a canvas application. The canvas element is part of HTML5 and allows for dynamic scriptable rendering of 2D shapes and bitmap images. Elements on a canvas board cannot be interacted with normal HTML elements. We will be using a coordinate-based approach to automate and interact with the elements on the canvas. As you click through the canvas, DevAssure will be able to capture the coordinates, which help with automating the test case on a canvas board. Right-clicks and drag-and-drop actions can also be automated in a similar way on the canvas board. Once the scripts are generated, the test can be saved and executed. The test scripts generated are stable and the execution is also very fast. DevAssure's CLI can be used to execute tests across any CI system and VMs. The test has passed and there are test execution logs as well. In case of failures, screenshots and video recordings will be available. DevAssure follows the page object model design and also uses backup locators to maintain test stability. With DevAssure's visual validation library, the canvas created can be validated visually as well.